I'm Suzanne, one of the designers here of the California Friendly Garden at Rogers Gardens. We created this garden so that you could have something lush and beautiful, drought tolerant, and super easy to take care of with very minimal maintenance. So we have a lot of really easy to care for plants here. We've got the blue fescue grass, which is so great. You never have to really cut it back unless you choose to in November. We've got the low-growing manzanita, which is called emerald carpet over there. We've got some beautiful blue dianella. We've got some westringia, which is also called coastal rosemary. This variety is called Winanabe highlight. And then we've got this beautiful pineapple guava tree, which has amazing flowers, and then in the fall you're going to have some beautiful fruit that a lot of people will like to eat, but some people will just put into a bowl and set it on the counter and it looks amazing. Here in the back we also have a tea tree which blooms beautifully and will grow to about 5 feet. It's an amazing backdrop to kind of frame this entire garden. So thanks for watching this video. I'm Suzanne, team leader for horticulture here at Rogers Gardens. I hope you come in and we can help you find a garden that'll fit your style.